We finally did it! It looks incredible.
Looks like we're ready to begin. What was that? The power's out. Look at the facade, it's collapsing.
Bring the wheelbarrow over here, we've got this beam ready. All right, coming through. Take a look at this one. It seems to have widened since the last inspection.
Yeah, I'm getting 3 millimeters on the gauge. Ensure full coverage on this section before I start smoothing.
The injection pressure is stable. I'll follow the crack line up.
Heads up on the ladder. Clear. Starting the sprayer now.
Are you finished on the west side? Almost. Need another 5 minutes.
Keep it steady, we need to match the line. Almost there. Bring the compactor over here next, eh? Watch the line, keep it straight. Almost there, bring it down easy. Make sure the gradient is smooth right here.
The next mixer is almost ready, coming right up. Keep spreading that teal evenly over here. We need more beige mixed up now.
Keep pushing that cream color towards the center. All right, blending the teal now. Keep moving back. Watch the edge there. Steady now, nice and smooth. Okay, pull it slightly to the left.
Yeah.
To the left. Got it, securing the track now.
Slide the blue sofa 3 inches to the left. Perfect placement.
The gold contrasts beautifully with the red velvet. Red velvet.
This turned out even better than the renderings.
Look at that chandelier sparkle. Incredible.